guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing y'all how I get this look. Okay, if you're interested in that, go ahead and keep on watching. Alright, so I'm going to be doing my everyday like makeup routine kind of thing. But yeah, I'm gonna work with everything that I've got. My eyebrows are not done, like it's whatever, but I'm gonna make it work. Usually my eyebrows aren't done anyway. I prefer to do my eyebrows on, you know, a fresh like eyebrow, but it's not gonna happen today. So first I do my eyebrows. I use witch hazel basically to like preset my face, I don't know, but I do that and then I go straight in with my eyebrows. Sometimes I use the moisturizer, sometimes I don't, but since it's so late in the day, my skin, it doesn't really need moisture right now. It's not dry whatsoever, so I'm just gonna go ahead and go right in with my eyebrows. If you would like a more detailed eyebrow routine, I can definitely do that. Now, believe it or not, I actually don't wear makeup that often at all, anymore at least, because all I do is work. I don't wear makeup to work. I really only wear makeup if I'm going somewhere like a dinner or something like super nice, like not even dinner, but like if I'm going like on a date or if I'm going like somewhere where I know I want to take some cute pictures, then I'm probably gonna wear makeup, and this is the look that I basically will do. I don't do anything too dramatic anymore, but that's what works for me. And it used to take me like hours to do my makeup. Let me tell you, I literally used to take hours freshman year to do my makeup. My friends hated me, oh my gosh, but that's because I didn't really know what I was doing. Like, I was still learning, so I would take my time. Eyebrows, all that, I would literally go so slow just to make sure everything was right, and my makeup still didn't even look right, but whatever. All I know is that I have improved greatly. Thank you, Jesus. But yeah, so I'm just using the I'm not even really showing my products. Well, the brow brush it's like basically washed off, but I got it from a beauty supply store. Usually I use the Benefit Precisely My Brow. Love it, my favorite, but I ran out over quarantine. But I use NARS. It's just the NARS creamy concealer. I don't even think it has a title on here anymore, but yeah, I use caramel. And for my brows, I stopped trying to make them look like twins, because they're not twins. They are sisters. They are sisters. There's literally no point in trying to make them look exactly identical, because they're not. It's not gonna happen. Like, whenever I go to my brow lady, like it just never happened, honestly. So I've just learned to sharpen them up to their own shape and make them look as close as possible, but nothing like extremely the same, because there's just no way that they're gonna look identical. Like, I've come to terms with that, honestly. I look crazy, but it's gonna come together, I promise. It will come together. Okay, so now that my brows are pretty much done, I go ahead and kind of blend them out with just a stippling brush, whatever. And I blend the concealer as best I can. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with a primer. I've been using the Fenty Beauty one. I have the full size one, but I don't know where it's at, and yeah, I don't even know why I bought a travel size one, because I had the full size one. I'm a product junkie. I'm a hoarder. I'm all of the above, honestly. But just gonna use a little bit of that. So when I first started using this, I would like put so much on. I'd be like, oh my God, I put too much. But you know, over years, months, however long it's been, I've just slowly started using less. Okay, so now that I'm primed, I am gonna take this. It's actually a little sample from, I'm pretty sure Sephora. Sephora does these little things, right? I think, but it's just this little, it's a corrector. And I honestly couldn't tell you the name. Like she just found it in the store and she was like, oh yes, this one will be perfect. So she gave me a sample of it. I don't remember the name of it. I don't remember where it was located. I don't even know what brand it is. Like literally, all I have to go off of is a sample that says A. So that's what it's gonna be called, A. So I use A to correct my face, basically. Usually if I have like black eyes, like, well, extremely like black under eyes, then I'll go ahead and do that. But I've been getting a lot of good sleep recently, so I don't think I really need it. So I'm not gonna even bother putting that there. But I'm just using it just to kind of cover up the spots that really need help more so than other parts of my face. So yeah, because I have a lot of scarring, but it's slowly starting to heal. Thank God. But yes. And honestly, a little goes a long way. So once I get the name of this, I would definitely put it somewhere, because yeah, whenever I can go to a Sephora store, then I'll go ahead and figure that out. Okay, so now I'm going to put on my foundation. Right now, I've been using the Infallible Pro Matte. I've had this for a very long time, but it's lasting me. So, I mean, what's the point in changing it? But it's classic tan. I'm just gonna use a beauty blender. So I'm just gonna use this. Sometimes I use a blender, sometimes I use a brush. It just depends how I feel. Today I'm feeling blender, so. Okay, so now that that's on my face, now I'm going to go in with concealer. So I use two different concealers. I do the same one for my brows. Oh, there's the title right there. The NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. And then I use the Fenty Beauty one in Sand. And I'm gonna blend it out with this little guy here. To set, I used the Sacha Buttercup powder. So then I kind of like contour my face. I don't have like a proper contour. I've just been using the Fit Me powder foundation. But I use this little brush, it's the e.l.f. brush. It doesn't have a name, so it's just called the Dense brush. So then I go in with this brush. It's just a fluffy brush, and I use it for my powder. So I have another one of those foundations, and it's this one. It's just a blush palette. It has all these little shades in there, so yeah. I use the darkest one, so I just like that one. I used to use the other ones, but it was giving me clown vibes, so I stopped. And now I just use this one. And then I like to set my face. First, I use the Mario Badescu Rose Water. And then on top of that, I use the Urban Decay De Slick. Y'all know this one. Okay, so now we're gonna put some lashes on. The ones I'm gonna use today, they look like this. But these are Hawaii. They are from Shop Pony Fly. I will also link them down below if you wanna buy those or interested in any of their lashes. I love them all. I have 4 of them, but I use the Duo brush on glue. Okay, that's it. Oh shoot, I lost my lash. How did you get there? Oh, that's crazy. That's crazy. And then I usually put on a little bit of mascara. I do put a little bit of eyeliner though at the bottom, but I don't like to put mascara just because I feel like, I don't know, I just really, honestly, I don't like putting mascara on my under eyes unless I absolutely have to. And now for my favorite part, highlighter. I do use the Carly Bible one. I really like this one. I use this one and this one together to give me like a nice little color. So just a little bit, Same on the other side. And I use a little bit on my nose and my Cupid's bow. That's what that's called, right? A Cupid's bow? I think so. But yeah, I do go a little crazy with it sometimes. And then for my inner corner, I just use a gold shade, which is that one right there. And then for my lips, I have been using just the Fenty one I've been using this since it came out, honestly. Okay, and that is all. I hope you enjoyed my video. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and share. But bye.